Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to listen to your microphone through a playback device on your Windows 10 sound settings. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All we have to do is just copy a command or a path I'm going to have in the description of the video. So just go ahead and copy that, and then open up the start menu and just paste it in. You're going to go ahead and select Run Command. Select your microphone on the Recording tab, double click on it, and then select Listen. At this point you can check mark where it says Listen to this device, and then underneath where it says Playback through this device, click inside the drop down here, and then select the device you want it to play through. So again, pretty straightforward process, and then you want to select Apply and OK. Select OK again to save the change, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.